Man. What's good? Yo, what up, Inconspicuous? How you feeling? How you doing today, bro? I'm good. I'm good. Yo, I have a vertical stream. If you guys want to go vertical, and then I have a horizontal stream. We're gonna try doing the horizontal shit. See what happens. You know the vibes. But yeah, we're here on Tradealgo.com. We're gonna have some fun, and we're cooking on these trades right now, bro. Yeah, bro, we did all right. We did all right. It was just about patience, bro. It's just about patience. You know what I am glad I didn't do? Inconspicuous is I'm glad I didn't do fucking Nvidia earnings, bro. I'm glad I didn't do Nvidia earnings. I would have been chopped. Shit would have been chop city. I'm glad, yeah, bro. If I would have done Nvidia earnings, it would have been fucking geeked. All right, anyway, here's where we're at right now. Marvel crushed, everything crushed. Again, I'll show you my exit price. I mean, dude, my entry was here, bro. I could have made way more on this morning. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out of Marvel. I don't care enough about this fucking company, bro. I don't care enough about Marvel, bro. To Marvel technology to stay in it. I'm out. Your boy's gone. Yeah. I closed out of Marvel. Yeah, with a little better timing. I'm not gonna get caught up on it though. I'm rolling everything into Shiba Inu. And then Palo Alto, I mean, I have June 18th. It's like both of these companies should technically go up. You guys see ARM, bro? ARM fucking defense is going nuclear. ARM defense is going literally nuclear, bro. ARM defense is going literally nuclear. Just want to take a look at my vertical stream as well as my horizontal. All right, bang. All right, fucking yeah. We've got a vertical stream up and we got a horizontal stream. Sick. BE went even more nuclear. Let's see. Dude, I feel like this vertical format is so bad. Let me go here. Actually, yeah, that's not that bad for the vertical. All right, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, yeah, man. BE, let's see. Bloom Energy. Dude, I told you energy companies were next, bro. What about Constellation? What about CEG? Dude, again, another one. Bro, I'm telling you, fucking energy companies are the wave. Nuclear energy companies are the wave. Or just any company. These things are gonna absolutely skyrocket, bro. Might be worth dipping your toe in, man. Might be worth dipping your toe in. This is all for holdings also, by the way. I mean, the fucking amount of shill I do for short-term trading does not do the justice that my long-term portfolio does. Anyway, let's lock in. Let's hop in and use TradeGPT. My only exposure I feel like I've been scalping. Should have grabbed some this week, though. Dude, I'm fucking with Constellation heavily. All right, anyway, let's just proceed. I'm kind of getting used to like this dual stream. My vertical stream format's gonna have to get fixed, but I'll fix all that later. So what am I saying right now? I'm saying I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration using TradeGPT. Shooting for $1,000, and but yeah, we've been rolling pretty well on this prompt. So yeah, it says give me a trade to make right now. Basically, I want all of the information to just simply take this trade. So we've got another Marvel call. Dude, I just exited out of this thing, man. I just exited out of Marvel. Let me see if you see what I got. Yeah, if you guys have any like extra bread, bro, look into like nuclear energy companies. Look into nuclear energy companies. Crazy that after an Nvda earnings, we're sitting at 218. All right, it gave me Marvel. I'm not gonna do Marvel. We're gonna do a different one. I'm just gonna re-enter the prompt. Yeah, what's good though? What's good though, guys? Yeah, they get earnings too on the video, and it's crazy. I'm just giving me it's just giving me Marvel, all the same shit. I just did the 180, bro. Should I go back into this? Nah. I mean, if I take a L, this thing might make it $10,000 bucks, but it's all good. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the intraday momentum prompt right here. Intraday momentum. Identify a stock showing strong intraday momentum. And keep searching until you find a basic specific options trade that matches this criteria. Only giving the information I am looking for. Provide me the strike price, entry price, expiration, all that fun shit. So yeah, I'm gonna open up a new prompt on TradeGPT and put this in. Look at Kamiko, for example. No, I mean, yeah, nuclear's, yeah, for sure can be risky. Then just go with energy companies that are already established that are dabbling in nuclear. That's the solution. All right, here's IBM, 22nd of May, 225 strike. Dude, should I just do this without looking at it? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Oh my God. Dog. Dude, I do not know about this IBM trade. Dude, the market's been so weird, bro. The market's been so fucking weird. What are these coming in at? IBM, 225, 284 a contract. Yeah, I'll throw 800 bucks at it. Nah, what is it? 900 bucks at it. IBM, 225 for the 22nd of May, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 225, 22nd of May. Long call. 225, 22nd of May, long call. Is literally $16. It's not $2.84. Bro. I'll take one contract, man. Just do one. I did 17. I did it. I did IBM 225. Here's my entry. IBM trading higher after announced 1 billion earnings 3 hours ago. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm in. Here's my entry. IBM 225, 22nd of May. I mean, you guys can pretty much see this now. If you're on the full screen stream, but $17.75, May 21st at 11:13 a.m. Just fill this right now at market. Easy enough. Let's put this into the P&L tracker. It's an intraday momentum trade, so this is an intraday trade. IBM 225 for May 22nd. And my entry was 1775. Just one contract. Okay, yeah, we're in. Look at that massive candle that formed as soon as I get in. I'm down 5% right now. I'm at 1670. If you zoom in out on IBM, isn't there all-time high? Either could be an upside. I'll straw my entry out. Dude, that's insane. That's insane. It's insanity. My entry's at the top of this red candle. Hey, bang, come on. Fuck yes. What up, B-Suddy? I blew my small account. It happens, bro. It happens. It happens, brother. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Inconspicuous. Okay, this orange line's our entry. I mean, we'll do a take profit. We're not going to go too crazy here. Let's do 244. Just $2. $2. Let's get a nice little run up for $2. Remember, this is my entry, and this is entry. This is take profit. Am I streaming on another platform too? Yeah, I'm just on 2 different streams. So I have my vertical stream that has no ads, and then I have my long form stream, which is running ads. I don't know, I think you're watching my long screen stream, so you might be getting ads. If you want to get no ads, just switch to vertical. You're a fucking regular. You know the vibes. I got till Friday. It's negative 450 right now. Gonna ride it out to afternoon. Are you trading Nvda? I got placed on 2 Nvidia shorts and Nvidia printed. Dude, they're at 219 right now. If you caught them before 225 yesterday, your trade should be valid, especially on a short. You ripped out. I mean, what was your expiration? What was your expiration, bro? Yerp. We're cooking. Here we go, baby. Here we go. What exactly is happening right now? Oh, okay, it's just taking a while for my contracts to load. I'm down $50. I'm at 17.25, but these are well above my fucking break even or my entry. I'm at 17.25. Yeah. Expiration 20 second, about 222, but I'm still negative. On your puts? You bought it when I was at 2. That's so weird. There we go, baby. Come on. Dude, I've been trying out like more Yap content on social media. What do you trade, bro? I'm only trading options right now. But I have a holdings portfolio, but just on stream I trade options. Alright, yeah, I'm up $5 on IBM now. Jesus Christ, at a $1,700. I've grinded my way to a $5 profit. I'm at $17.80. Come on, give me that ass. Who owns IBM? Jensen Huang? Let's go, fucking Nancy Pelosi. What up, Nova Pump? IBM was $300 in December. Oh, bro, fuck yeah. Dude, let's trade this thing to the top. Bro, what a fucking clean trade. What a clean trade, bro. Is everyone else in the other format? Where is everyone? Yeah, so I have another format rolling where like inconspicuous is. But no, it'll take a minute with this new thing I'm doing, dual format, to get the momentum back. It's like a new kind of a like thing with YouTube, or not with YouTube, but it's just gonna be like it's literally a new stream format. So it'll take the time for like people to scroll and see and like do other shit like that. Your motherfucking charts aren't loading? Bro, get a Tradealgo membership. It's time. I'm just fucking with you, inconspicuous. My charts are loading though. Dude, we're crushing here. I'm up $98. I'm at 1873. 1873, motherfucker. Fuck, I wanted to get in on this one. Damn. Dude, look how smooth sailing this was. Dude, I miss having music, bro. Honestly, fuck being monetized. Genuinely. I just want music and I want to vibe on stream. I want to get geeked out and fucking trade with the boys on stream. That's all I want to do, man. It might be time to... I mean, dude, I don't know what's going to happen. This is insane. This was like such a clean trade. Well, let's see what happens. But I still haven't hit my take profit. We got literally micro inches away from... we got micro inches away from that from our take profit. Also, dude, what is going on here? I'll fix this. I got you guys, don't worry. Yo, what up, Johnny? Yo, Johnny, I'm running dual streams right now, so if you want no ads, just go to my vertical like usual. Big boss Johns. But yeah, dude, we'll cook here, nice and smooth. Cool little TradeGPT trade. I mean, we can go and do the other one. The market's just too weird right now, bro. I'm like paranoid. I'm putting 10 grand on a position. Got smacked so hard with AMD, bro. Got hit so fucking hard on that two week stock, bro. I thought I had an 87% success rate when it came to 2 week swings. And like, I think like that's the problem. I think my fucking, like, I literally think I get so confident and I genuinely think I know things that I just don't know, bro. I literally have no idea what the fuck is going on. Yeah, trade AMD for the next 2 weeks. Like, in my head, I'm like, yeah, it's bulletproof. Yeah, bro, you don't actually know anything. And you'd never get ads anywhere. Got ad blockers, hell yeah. Damn, bro, you're gonna destroy my monetization strategy, Johnny. BE? Are you in BE right now? Dude, ARM crushed. Dog, I'm telling you, the rally we're about to see from fucking nuclears or energy companies is going to be the same rally that we saw with, it's going to be the same exact rally we saw with, bro, it's going to be the same exact rally we saw with semis. I wouldn't, like, bro, I'll put my money where my mouth is right now, bro. I'll put my money where my mouth is right now. If you guys don't think I'm bullish on energy companies, let's do 50 grand in holdings on CEG. I'm serious. Just holdings. Just holdings, bro. That's how confident I am in CEG. I will put my ass on the line, bro. CEG is going to be my bag. Constellation Energy Group. They're going to rip just like any other semiconductor. I see this being a $1,000 stock, bro. CEG, FANG, right? You guys know what FANG, about FANG? FANG is another motherfucker. FANG is crazy too, bro. FANG, CEG, Bloom Energy. Bro, I'm telling you guys right now, Diamond, like these companies are going to rip. They are next up. They're thinking of ways to power AI data centers, right? It's like the pyramid. I told you, the top is AI. The next tier is semiconductors. The next tier is fucking infrastructure. And the next tier is power, right? We went through the semiconductors. We're going through infrastructure right now. And then it's going to be power, boys. Gear up. Gear up. If you're not playing ball right now in this market, bro, you literally have no excuse when 16-year-olds are retiring before you and you're looking around like, what the fuck is going on? And all they did was just play obvious hardball. They just played the fucking, they played the field in the most obvious way to play the field. And yeah, bro, that's like always been the way to do it. Like my 13-year-old cousin is telling me what nuclear energy stocks he wants to buy. Like, just like, bro, I promise you. I mean, guys like Inconspicuous and my usual stream watchers, you know the shill, you know the deal. But if you're not investing and you're just getting started in the market, bro, don't go and start day trading, bro. Just build your portfolio around this AI boom. I promise you, you'll be way happier. IBM. IBM. Dude, we got cleaned up. We rode this up and then we got cleaned up. My entry was right here. I gotta redraw my entry line. Yeah, now I'm below my entry. All right, let's see what happens, bro. Now I'm losing money on it. Let's see what happens. Went from the cleanest trade of all time to, yo, I actually never knew what I was doing. Fucking fuck this market, bro. Bloom Energy might be a stronger pick than Constellation, though. Bloom Energy might be a stronger pick than Constellation Energy. IBM for puts only. Oh, dude, it was such a quick trade. I should have just got out. It was just supposed to be a quick trade. Got so fucking mauled here. Well, I'm getting mauled right now, bro. That was so ridiculous. I was up like 4%. I should have taken profit. I should have known that. I mean, I just didn't. We finally have desktop stream. Yeah. IBM trading higher after announced $1 billion award letter of intent to build quantum chip factory. Fire. Holy fuck. Dude, IBM might go crazy too. I mean, what is the stock at? 241? Bro, you're going to see a lot of these companies go to $1,000 share prices and then split. The data infrastructure is real, right? The shill that you hear of XRP that like it's going to replace the world currency isn't real. But like when you say something like Nvda is going to power all of the AI centers, when you say something like SanDisk's contracts are worth trillions of dollars with AI data centers, all that's real. That's actually happening. And when you fucking say something really fucking stupid like XRP is going to take over like the world global currency system, that's literally delusion on your part, and you're like believing some fucking lie. Like, bro, go with what's real. You know what I mean? How do you know when to take time to take profit? Can you ask AI? Yeah, I can ask AI. Yeah. When should I take profit? Take profit at 425. No, that's not right. I entered this at 1775, bro. Entered it at 1775. Bro said, nice, Phil. It tells me to buy a stock for $4. I told it I bought it for fucking $13 more. So what, over $1,000 more than when it told me to buy it. And then it goes, yeah, nice, Phil, Paul. Yeah, bro. 22 to $23 take profit, J9. Johnny Nice. Johnny 9. Johnny Minecomp. Yeah, bro, $23 take profit, big king. Sir, XRT is a god coin. Don't regret all the banks in the world will use it. Sand and cement to build these buildings. Bro, yeah. Well, wait. What's the shill? B study behind the sand and cement. Amid GTA extracting 205. In GTA, I'm extracting 2.5 ounces of flour to distill down to a tincture for gummies. My losses hit hard today, so I'm doing something I'm actually good at. Yo, that's a fun-ass thing to do in GTA, bro. That's a great GTA strategy. That's only cool if you do it in GTA. It's not cool to do that in real life and talk about it in a live stream. Dude, in GTA this weekend, I might even just want to fucking enter the Ketaverse. Just geek out. Fucking just like sever all communication with like anything healthy. And just be drooling on my couch, bro. In GTA. Obviously. Right. Look good, run, maybe take profit. I'm thinking that too, bro. I'm thinking that too. This thing is cooking right now. This thing is cooking right now, bro. Absolutely cooking. I mean, bro, why don't I just make my $1,000 on PANW? I mean, that sounds way better Yesterday, we did Qs and Marvel. We did Qs for 140. I closed out of Marvel today for 164. So yesterday I only made $140. And then today I'm in PANW and IBM. And I mean, hopefully we can grab some cheese, bro. But I'm not even kidding, guys. When I show you my P&L for the month, like, bro, this is the reality of a day trader aggressively using the best AI in the world. I'm not like you guys know I'm not exaggerating. Like one of the most powerful AIs in the entire world, like aggressively day trading. This is what it's got me. Only $8,000, bro. I've got a fucking $300,000 brokerage I'm ripping trades from, and I'm trying to prove to you guys that even with the best AI in the world, day trading is a trap. It's a fucking trap. Only being up 8,000 is a slap. I mean, the last 2 days we did 150, 140, and then we're up 500 right now. So we'll fucking see what's going on, man. That's a lot, bro. Put a stop loss at 45 cents if you make it to 250 a contract. Maybe. Maybe. I might just. That's way more than people make in a month. Shit, like 2 months. Yeah, you're right. I mean, I am very like not. I'm like complacent. With where I'm at. I need to realize how blessed I am, bro. I mean, it's completely different. Also, bro, it's like kind of hard to scale what a good month and a bad month is when I've made $100,000 in a month trading in a fucking rocket booster ass gimmicky meme market. And so like I'm still learning that discipline. Like I don't have the experience to do it. I was reading this book. I'm reading this book right now on trading, and there was a quote in the book today that kind of like made my like brain like just think about this in a different way. And I want to kind of share these thoughts with you guys and get your perspective on it. But the human brain is what's known as the human brain is Paleolithic. Now, what I mean by Paleolithic, it means the brain is controlled by nervous system responses, and looking at a chart that you can't control, that can fluctuate massively, and especially with something as like emotional as money and like money you work hard for, our human brains, our Paleolithic brains are literally not programmed to watch an unexpected event happen with our emotions tied to it. Our greed is too real and our fear is too real. And so when you're watching day trades, you're literally torturing your your soul and your being and your brain into like a discipline that you might not even necessarily need to fucking just do anything else, right? And then you turn yourself into like the fucking Nostradamus of trading, right? The Marcus Aurelius of a non-emotional fucking investments. And then at what cost, bro? You sat here and you sweated your dick off for $8,000 in 1 month. For what cost? Like at what point does it become worth it, bro? Bro, you're trying this shit again? I'm trying, bro. I try this shit every day. Tiny Line Gaming. From 50K to 8K, it has to fuck with your mind, bro. It fucks with your mind hard. Happened to me plenty of times, dude. Yeah, but like the human brain, our bodies, and like the way we process information with our like fear and survival scale, trading literally goes against every single part of that, and it's completely irrelevant. You don't have to do this shit to yourself. Even if you make money, right? I mean, I make money trading, but like, bro, it's like I made more arguably from my long-term holdings portfolio account this month that I didn't touch versus sitting here and fucking having an autistic tantrum every time a stock doesn't go in the direction that I want it to have. And that's like, that's the spiel, right? They did a study in 2000. It was the Financial Journal, and they studied 66,000 individual investors that were connected to like some large brokerage account. So like take Schwab, for example. They ran a study. This is just an example. Like this, it'd be like if they took Charles Schwab and all of the Charles Schwab users, and they basically studied them for 90 days. And they came up with the 90-90-90 rule. And it's a fact, and it's unfortunate, and I'm going to explain kind of what went into it. 90% of day traders lost 90% of their money in less than 90 days. And if that doesn't go to show you that there's no real edge for the regular American unless they are cracked out or using some sort of advanced technology like I am, you're fucking geeking yourself. Even people that are having a holdings portfolio, right? Even the holdings portfolio, people on average with a holdings portfolio are doing about 11% a year. Bro, the fucking S&P 500 moves on average 17. So people even that have the choices buy and hold stocks still aren't doing it correctly. And the reason is they're not buying the stocks that the banks, institutions, and hedge funds are buying. Yes, it's called investing. Thank you, Jeff D. Have you tried futures? Yeah, exactly. They've actually performed surprisingly well. Do you guys remember in COVID, Stanford did a study where they had a monkey throw darts at a dartboard, and the dartboard just had stocks on it, and the fucking monkey beat the S&P 500, right? So it just goes to show you there's no like logical fucking bias here. Like, bro, you have to be following along with what billionaires are buying in the moment if you're going to be day trading. You have to ride their coattails. It's really the only way to rock, bro. Right? Take that one to the fucking bank. I mean, yeah, you guys, I mean, yeah, that's literally the sauce. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Inconspicuous. But guys like you and me, we're addicted. We're addicted, bro. Guys like you and me, we're addicted, bro. That's the thing. It has to do with market cycling. Yeah, absolutely. It has to do with market cycling. But Jeff, like, these words that people use, sector rotation and market cycling and fucking whatever the fuck else. I don't know. I've been doing this for 3 years. I still don't even understand the jargon sometimes. But like all these words are cope. It's just nerds coping with the fact that they don't actually understand things, so they start assigning words that might not make any sense to something that doesn't make sense. I ride Mike J's coattails from now on. Yeah. All shill. Dude, it's cope, bro. How do taxes work on this? You just pay them. It's fucking 41% here in New York on capital gains, bro. That's what it came out to. You gotta make money though to pay taxes. If you suck at trading, that's a fucking, it's beautiful because you can just write all of your losses off. Bro, it's just chill. It's chill and it's cope. Drawing lines on a chart is literally cope, bro. You draw lines on a chart, you're literally coping. And like, I will fucking say that. You draw lines on a chart, you're fucking coping, bro. There's no way to fucking do this, man. Just buy the S&P 500, bro. Isn't trading in? No, it's capital gains, bro. Especially, yeah, short-term trades. What percent? 41. Hey, Brooklyn represent. Hell yeah. You in Brooklyn, bro? I'm over here in Soho. I'm in Manhattan right now. Pull up on me, bro. Teach me how to trade. Johnny, no, trading is an income tax. No, it is not. It's different though, right? Some people, they can fucking set it up. Some gangster ass accountants will set your brokerage account up under an LLC, dude. And then that's the slimy shit, bro. Not like Like, that's the fucking method. You set your brokerage up under an LLC, however the fuck these guys do it, and then you set your brokerage up under an LLC, and then here's the play. Any trading tools you buy for your brokerage that's under an LLC, dog, you just write them off. I have guys come in all the time from Tradealgo. Like, Tradealgo generates mad sales from dudes who will do a demo on the product. They'll learn about like how they can do that. They're already worth $500K, $500,000. They call their accountant and set up a brokerage account under an LLC, and bro, they just write off a fucking $225,000 AI that yeah, we're cooking now, Jeff D. We got it. We're doing our thing. But dude, that's a crazy play, bro. That's a crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if Gappers has something set up like that. I don't know who spends the most money on data in my stream. Either Alex Pascal. I don't know. I mean, if you guys spend money on data, let me know. We can do. Yeah, exactly. Exactly inconspicuous. That's the whole play. I mean, dude, my father-in-law, my mom's new husband, he literally has a 16 monitor trading setup, bro. Motherfucker has 16 monitors running on one machine. He has every single future like thing, basically. Not every single one, obviously, but like he's like correlating like price gaps and like fucking. I don't even know what bro does, honestly. I tried to learn his strategy one day. I was in Vegas. He brought me into like his lair. He was like showing me like, he's like, okay, then after this hits this resistance line, I'm gonna look over here at this screen and make sure that this is gapping up. And then I'm gonna take that in between space and execute a trade. I'm literally sitting there like, dog, like, I'm like, I was like, bro, go to TradeAlgo.com right now. I'm like, go to TradeAlgo.com. I'll show you how I trade. Stepdad. Now don't call him I can't call him a stepdad, bro, because he wasn't around. He needs 4 GPUs, brother. He's a centimillionaire, if that helps. He's worth over 100 mil, if I were to guess. And I was like, bro, like, dog, like he trades for 1 month out of the entire year. He trades 1 month out of the entire year, and he makes 10% and doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything else. He makes 10%, stops. Yeah, bro, he'll sneak this. Not anything ever like super disrespectful, but like, bro will make $1 million in a trading day, and he'll be like, yeah, I made $1 million today. Like, what'd you catch? Hey, bro, fuck you, man. Genuinely, bro. But I'm glad to have him in my corner. He's a fucking really good guy. Beast mode, bro. Beast mode. Long MES. Let's see if we get piped. Dude, I'm longing IBM until it hits 244, bro. That's what I'm doing. What are you doing? We taking MES. How do you build his capital? Johnny, he is in the utility pole business. So he has a company that provides utility poles to massive construction, like residential jobs. So think about it like this. When a developer buys 150 acres worth of land in the barren outskirts of Las Vegas to build residential homes there, he would go to Bernie, that's his name. He would go to Bernie and say, hey, I need 1,000 light poles. And then Bernie would sell him the light poles. So he like resells. He has a business that refurbishes and sells utility poles. What are you trading? Inconspicuous? I'm up 29% on IBM. Let's go. Let's go. Is this your first TradeGPT trade? 29 cents is huge, bro. Remember, I'm entitled to 30% of that. I'm up, yeah, bro. You're 0.67%. I'm entitled. I'm longing, as Reddit people said too. SRXH, sure, bro. Fire. I've never listened to Wall Street Bets except for when they told me to buy Nokia back in COVID, and I got absolutely fucking ass rinsed. Everything is underground nowadays. No. Are you talking about for the utility poles? No, John. These are like light poles, bro, and like cell phone poles. Like light poles, bro. Like literal, like light and cell phone poles. Like the poles that stick out of the ground. And there's they still build proper, I mean, residential stuff with these in it. It's way, way, way difficult to do underground. You were in Dell with me? Underground costs more money. Yeah, it's expensive. Bro's not making 1,000. All our utilities are above ground. Oddly enough, even BlackBerry has been moving. Really? BlackBerry has been moving? Dog, what in the fuck are they cooking up right now? That sounds so unsettling. Buried underground at the pole to house. Big dollars for them. Nice one. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to see too many... Unless you're in a really shitty area, you're not going to see the power lines directly connect to the house anymore, unless you're running like a super old meter and super old setup. But yeah, that's dog shit. If you're buying a house and it has a utility line from the power line to the house, you're getting fucked. Make 1K in like 10 minutes every day on NASDAQ futures, dude. I don't want to hear that. I could make $1,000 playing roulette. AMC made a lot. When GameStop, I looked at it for the most short squeeze stock at the time. It was AMC made a lot. Looked into this new chip that doesn't consume power. It pulls power from a quantum vacuum. Could be the next big thing. I need to know more. I need more information on this. Inconspicuous. My ears are perked like a Doberman, bro. You have my attention, brother. My ears are perked like a Doberman. Hold on. Let me spin around real quick. Say up. I need to do more research too. All right, let's up. Okay, new chip that pulls power from quantum vacuum. Dude, if I've ever heard some shit that's gonna like MicroSpac, developed by Casimir Incorporated, founded by former NASA researcher Harold G. Sonny White. 5mm by 5mm semiconductor chip designed to generate continuous electric power by harvesting zero-point energy or virtual protons directly from quantum vacuum fields. Now, I'm not a fucking quantum vacuum field expert, but my first question is it drawing enough power to where they don't need to pull power from anything else? Right? A chip isn't just a fucking chip. A chip is like part of a system of things that drive power into the chip. So that's my first question with this. You know what I mean? But it's developed by a NASA researcher. It's definitely worth something, but you might be this might be shill. Oh, yeah, look it up in pace. Yeah, dude. Power output, 1.5 volts at 20, outputting 40 microwatts of continuous power. See, guys, 40 microwatts isn't doing anyone anything. I can't even fucking warm up a donut with 40 microwatts. I couldn't even warm up a donut with 40 microwatts, bro. Casimir is targeting ultra low power. Okay, so ultra low power electronics that require long-term maintenance-free power. Medical implants. Okay, that makes sense. IoT devices and tire pressure monitoring systems. All of these are wonderful use cases for this, but this won't be put into a data center. I mean, this kind of tech isn't even 100 or 20 years away from a fucking data center. Going into a data center. Yeah, but the chips are tiny. True. I mean, a 5mm by 5mm chip, right? Perfect for a fucking pacemaker. Mistage Bully, what is today's trades? Can you please explain what trade I'm in? I'm in 2 trades right now, bro. My bad. If you guys are asking questions in the long form chat, the long stream, that's my bad. All right, we're cooking on IBM right now. Nokia's done great since COVID. No, Mark, I was in it on a very short-term level from Wall Street bets. It was like one of the very first call options I did, and I lost a ton of money. But yeah, no, it did do great since COVID, but I just didn't have the maturity to hold on to it. You just explain what trade you're in and how to use the AI? Yeah, absolutely. So it's a free AI. It's Tradealgo.com. I use their language model for this stream. They're a data vendor in the stock market, so they have a whole bunch of premium data that you'd have to pay a whole bunch of money for when it comes to real-time info. I just asked for a long call on IBM, gave me a $17 entry and a $22 take profit, and that's what you're seeing right now on my screen was my $17 entry, and then I'm working my way up to a $22 take profit right here, big dog. Does that make sense, bro? I'm shooting for 23 bucks. I'm shooting for 23 bucks. I'm shooting for 23 bucks on IBM, bro. I'm at 1868 right now. I'm at 1868. Dude, I went on this date last night, bro. Dog. Bro, I like literally fumbled, bro. So bad. I mean, like it was so good. We were having so much fun. And then I fucked it all up, bro, because I was a fucking horny piece of shit. Like, honestly, dude, I was having the most phenomenal day last night. And then I give it a stop loss. I didn't give this one a stop loss. I ended up being down 12. Now I'm down 21. Boy, bro, if you're trading IBM right now, you're cooking. What are you talking about? Got you. So trading is much tougher. Yeah, bro, I mean, buy and hold. If I would have known to just buy and hold things when I was 18 years old, I would be like 10 times richer. And I mean, if you 10x, if you took 500 and whatever $1,000 that I'm worth right now and you literally times it by 10, I'd be worth $5 million if I just bought and hold instead of just aggressively trying to fucking make this shit work. Warbucks, so you're asking about the date? Dude. Bro. No, bro. No, I didn't, bro. What broker account I use? I'm using Webull. We'd be millionaires, bro. Exactly. And that's just why we're fucking figuring this out still. Okay, so girls from Brooklyn. She was like really traditionally Southeast Asian, like a very traditional Asian girl. No point. Look, yeah, there's no point. I had like 10 grand. Sounds like you need to say your R's. You used to say your R's like W's. Thank you, Mr. What? I wish I never did drugs and party out of high school and just went straight in the market. No one ever told me. Yeah, bro, they don't teach you these things. Okay, so, bro, should I get out of IBM? I don't know. So yeah, traditional, like really traditional Southeast Asian girl, and she was beautiful, but of course, I fucking fucked it up. We go to dinner, and my go-to at dinner is never like an entree. I just will order like a big plate of something, and we'll like share it. It's like part of like the Riz, and we get charcuterie, and we get like drinks or whatever. I just had one drink, had one ranch water. All in at 10K, AAT is probably a whack move anyway. When I was a sophomore in high school, Bitcoin is exactly $1. Dude, yeah, that's literally the kind of timing. You can always roll over it and sell half to reduce risk. I remember I found Bitcoin at $200. It was when I was like obsessed with the deep web when I was like fucking 14 years old. And I remember watching videos on the like deep web, dark web horror stories. You guys remember those videos on YouTube? It would be like the scariest things that ever come out of the dark web. And they would always talk about Bitcoin on these fucking horror videos, bro, back in like 2014. And you can always roll it over. Bro, right, the last 2 weeks have been fucking weird, dude. The last 2 weeks trading have been so weird. You need a tool that combines all chat in one place. Bro, I'm on Streamlabs. You should be able to do that on Streamlabs, bro. You should be able to do that on Streamlabs if I'm not mistaken, bro. Johnny, you should be able to do that on Streamlabs. How much did I pay for the AI? I paid $5 lifetime. Okay, get back to how you fund the chick. Okay. So, drinks, whatever, charcuterie, and like, bro, none of it is bad at all. Like, it's all going really, really, really good. And she goes to NYU, and she's like a business major or whatever the fuck. And just we were chopping it up, and she was just very curious about what I did, and I was kind of trying to explain it to her in a female-friendly way, kind of the intricacies of my fucking career. And it went well, right? And then I go, yeah, like, do you want to keep hanging out after this? And she was like, yes, I do want to keep hanging out after this. And the whole time, bro, like, I'm thinking she's telling me, like, yeah, let's go back to your apartment and hang out and, like, watch a movie or something. And so, like subconsciously, I'm like, yeah, that's the next play. So the restaurant we were at was, like, a block away from my apartment. We walked to my apartment, and we go, and we're about to walk into my apartment. She's like, is this, like, another bar or something? And I was like, no, this is my fucking place. And she was like, yeah, nah. She's like, I'm not going back to your place with you. And I was like, okay, fine, we'll go to another bar. And so I just walked to a bar, and it was just so awkward after that, bro. And then I Ubered her home. She texted me that she had a really good time, but like, dude, I felt like such an idiot, dude. She was from China, Johnny. She was literally, her parents and her were like from like a super Chinese place. Dude, it wasn't even about straight to fucking. It wasn't even about going straight to like having sex. It's not even my style, bro. I was just rolling with the night. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. It was just a little too aggressive. It was an aggressive entry. I did like a market order on a stock that was fluctuating, and I got a bad fill. That's how we're gonna describe it. How's that Southeast Asian? How is it not? Okay, how is being from China not Southeast Asian, bro? Please explain. Well, no, actually, you're right. No, you're wrong, Johnny. You're wrong. I'm right. Southeast Asian is China. I would give ecstasy, dude. You're fucking nuts. Yeah, see, that's why I don't even want to get into this. You guys are fucking crazy. Yeah, when I got drunk and I told that girl her dad was 100% gonna lose her job. That was crazy, bro. She lived with her parents too. I was like, yeah, your dad's fucking losing his shit. China is East Asia. China is East, South, bro. All right, let's pull up a map, J9. Let's do this thing. I go world map. Bro, believe me. I know where you're from too, Johnny. You're from Malaysia. I'll show you. I'll teach you. Okay, this is a world map, right? We're all on the same page? This is a world map? Or am I tweaking? Okay, here we go. Here's our world map. Asia? Wait a minute, what map is this? Bro, where's Russia? What map is this? This is like the social credit score map, bro. Bro, what world map is this? Okay, look, bro. This is China. This is China. What are we talking about? Anything over here? Bro, anything in this area is Southeastern Asia. Like, please, what are we, like, anything from here to here? This whole section right here is Southeast Asia, J9. Dude, I'm not even high. I'm crying laughing, but because of the map. But, like, That's funny as fuck. That's funny as fuck. China. Dude, that... Okay, but hold on. Can you admit you were wrong, bro? Johnny, can you admit that you were wrong, that this is Southeast Asia? And then also that other guy, Mr. What? Can you please admit that you were wrong and that I was right? Please, for my own pride. South China Sea. Dog, all of this, bro. This is all fucking China, dude. This is China, right? This is China. What's northeast, southwest, right? North, west, east. Okay? Now, what is this portion of the map that's right here? What is this portion of China that's right here? Southeastern Asian. This is southeastern China, bro. This section right here, okay? American geography at its best, bro. You cannot be serious. Oh, that Chinese people don't call that? We're crushing the markets right now, bro. I'm at 18. I'm at 18, 21. No, I'm at 19. Hell yeah. 19. What is this? 1901? This says 19. Let's leave it. Okay, ask TradeGPT if China, Southeast Asia. Nah, no thanks, bro. I don't want to do that because I might be proven wrong. Hong Kong. Have you ever been? Johnny, have you ever been to China? Bro, you guys want me to show you her fucking profile that says she's from Southeast Asia? I'm at 1913 on these. Inflow looks really good. Yeah. Dude, we caught a fucking monster. How much did I start trading with today? I only have, what is this? Let's see. I have 2 contracts, 8,000 plus like 2,000. I have like 10 grand across 2 trades right now. Yeah, spread her information on the internet. Nah, dude, I'm not gonna do that. I already feel bad because she was so perfect, bro. She was so nice. I don't even think I'm allowed to talk about this stuff on stream. It's gonna get me in trouble. But dude, I fucking fumbled that shit, bro. Oh, in general, bro, but like a starting point isn't a healthy way to ask me, right? Because are you looking for me to say something like I turned $1,000 into 500K? Because that's not what happened, bro. Every week I put $1,000 into the stock market. Every single week, I put another $1,000 in the stock market and buy more stocks. You'll get a second date, trust. Okay, I'll trust. Dude, it was just freaking, yeah, it was a little fumble. It's all good now. But yeah, dude. Can we talk about Johnny Nine's first stream L saying that Southeast Asia isn't Eastern China? Guys, Eastern China is Southeast Asia. Are you guys delusional or something? Eastern China is Southeast Asia. 25 to avoid the day trading rule. In Asian geography, Southeast Asia is considered Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. She probably wasn't Chinese. She's from China and went to New York first. She probably thinks all the America smells like shit and covered in rats. Good day trading, happy hunting. Thank you, Skull. What can you do with 500? You could get this. If I had $500 and that's all I had and I had no more money to put into the stock market, I'd buy this. That's what I'd get. This one, you could afford this one for 500. I'd get this shit. Look at this guy. Look how happy he is. This electric scooter that you would buy instead of trying to make $1 million from $500 would make you so much more happy. And honestly, it might even get you some play. Look at this guy. Dude, you could just buy this instead of trying to take down the entire stock market with $500. Hello from your country's biggest ally. Thank you, Lord 420 Blaze Lord. What is from your biggest ally? You guys stay liquidating me. Dude is mad happy. Bro, what's the incentive to donate? You won't be live anymore to see your reaction. What does that even mean? What's the incentive to donate? You won't be live anymore to see your reaction? Don't donate. I don't know. Just fucking don't do it. Means she is. Okay, yeah, it's her fault. Yeah, Israel. Hey, you're up $1 on the day. Good shit, good shit. We're chipping away. Isn't real. Like, bro, like, what is there's no incentive on the stream to fucking donate. I have no idea, like, socially what to do when people donate to my stream. I'm just like, dog, thank you. I don't even know how to, like, withdraw the money from YouTube. I'm not even kidding. Like, look at this. I'll show you guys. I don't know if this is going to be sensitive info. I got a YouTube studio. And then look, I mean, I'll fucking lay it all out in front of you guys. You go to earn. And then, dog, I don't even know how to, like, utilize this fucking page. I don't even know how to use this. I don't even know what this is. Remember when this guy, Johnny, remember this guy? The guy who gave me $100? And I tried to demo his indicator on stream, bro, and I kept fucking up. Dog, that was so shit. Twerk for $5. You have to pay. Yeah, I have an AdSense account. I have all that. Overview, like, even if I go to overview, I already did all this. I have all of this. It's already done. I think if I go to analytics, I can see how much estimated dog, $58. Like, bro. Like, let's be real here, bro. I'm not streaming for fucking money, dude. I wouldn't even, if you guys give me money, I promise you, you're, like, it's going into, like, the ether that I don't know how to access. That's all I can say. If you guys donate money to the stream, I do not know where it goes. Bro, but Johnny, why was I not able to track it? Dude, I'm cooking on IBM right now. 1930? No, that's no way. All right, 1921. Still right here, bro. Still right here. Come on, man. Let's finish this up. Let's finish this thing up, bro. Yo, what up, Florida native? Gluttony and greed, 420 Blaze Lord. Ask the AI if I only have $300 to trade, show me what it's saying. Bro, TradeAlgo is free, Mistich. TradeAlgo is free. 10 minutes ago, I've just sold any day options to tap our end. Yeah, bro, we could get some motion. You want to get some motion with me, bro? I got you. Let me show you what I do first. This is how I trade. I'm not even kidding. So the first thing is you gotta trust this. That's the first step, bro. Is if you're gonna do this, you gotta trust these guys right here, bro. I'm gonna make it really simple. If you guys are gonna do this, you have to trust these guys. This company right here is your best friend. Okay? This isn't a brokerage. This isn't a crystal ball. All right? Tradealgo isn't some magic wand. I say this all the time. This is a stock market data company. They purchase stock market data and they let you ask queries about the data. So here, tell you. I go here and I enter the fucking prompt that gives me my options trades. That's exactly how I did this trade today. Look at this. I said, identify a stock showing strong intraday momentum. And then I said, keep searching until you find a specific options. I mean, I did this live on stream. Just rewind the stream when I show you guys me entering this trade. And it gave me IBM 225. And then we fixed up the entry price. It gave me IBM 225. And then told me to exit at dollars. And this is where I entered live on stream. And then if you've been watching, you've done nothing but see the stock go up. That's how I get motion, bro. I've never lost a single trade doing this. Right, Johnny? Right, guys? Right, regular viewers? You've never seen me lose a trade. Why is my Ford up so much? Good shit. Yeah, Ford is a fire one, dude. I pay $5K for the premium data. They have a free data portal, though. Yeah, exactly. Dude, everyone's going to start buying American stocks. Dude, I'm in Nvda. Not once in my life. Dude, yeah, I've never lost a trade. You guys have seen it. Florida native Jay is like, yeah, he knows. Yeah, okay, yeah. Warbucks is agreeing too. Right, guys? I'm in on Ford at 937. Tell me the contract. Yeah, I'm in here at like 11 a.m. Everyone's going to start buying American stocks, bro. Yeah, if I pick a stock, it goes up. 11 a.m. Eastern, yeah. I have like stock. It's bad. No other country will want to trade with us, by the way. Okay, Mr. What? Now I've got to call you. I got to figure that out. Hold on, Mr. What? You got to correct me because I've made an assumption about what you said. Okay, so your first statement was more people are going to start buying American stocks because no other country will want to trade here. And then you say that it's bad. Why are more people buying American stocks? How does that translate to bad? My butthole hurts. That's and fucked me hard. It's bleeding. Dog, you traded Nvidia earnings, right? Nvidia's sitting at 219, bro. Yeah, it just didn't even move. Mostly in real estate heavy last 10 years. Yeah, Jay Farrell, I mean, do you have a brokerage account for stocks? Do you have a brokerage account for stocks? I'm just waiting, man. This IBM. Yo, Xander James. What's good, bro? Yo, Xander, hop on the vertical stream, bro, because I'm not reading the chat on the horizontal stream. Remember the guy who hopped in my stream? Omara, what happened to IBM puts only? I like the horizontal stream. You got a nice setup too. Thank you, bro. Johnny, so my setup right now to read both chats is this. I have the live chat for the vertical stream right on top, and then I just am letting the bottom part of my Streamlabs bleed into the next part of the chat so I can see both. Other countries not trading with our country is bad. Sorry for the confusion. But does it, I mean, won't that drive retail investors from other countries to trade in our markets if I'm not confused? Bro, I mean, I talk to a guy named Zebra Defender from Poland all the time, and he is consistently buying American companies on his interactive brokers. Check out LIN, okay. LIN. Okay. Oh, I think you told me about these guys before. Yeah. Bro, you told me about these guys. Did they rip? Are they cooking? Bro, this is steady uptrend, bro. These guys have been going up for a year. I remember you showed me this. Yeah, dude. This is a badass company, bro. America doesn't have the infrastructure, like the power infrastructure. Mr. What? The one thing I will say about American infrastructure is never bet against the possibility that America will build. Zebra, I don't know where Zebra's been. Yo, what up, Zach? How you feeling? Yeah, we're gonna build the infrastructure, bro. Believe it. Believe me when I say America will build the infrastructure. Whoa! The fuck just happened, bro? Nah, bro. What? It doesn't even matter. It's $1,700 bucks, but what the fuck just happened, bro? What the fuck just happened? Whatever, bro. I mean, dog. Bro. Yeah, Jay Farrell, welcome to the Olympics, bro. It happens, though. Jay Farrell, you're no... I mean, you might be newer to investing, but I'll probably deal with a drop like this every fucking day I trade, and then it just goes back up. How does America not have infrastructure? I've been around the world. We have some of the best infrastructure. Yeah, we do have some of the best infrastructure, B-Study. But if you compared us to, like, Shaanxi, China... Paul, when next year in a profit of IBM, close the trade. Dog, yeah, dude. No, American infrastructure is not something to bet against. I promise you. I promise you. I gotta film a video today for the Tradealgo boys. All right, next time I'm at break even, I'm fucking out of here. Shang Shang Xing Yin Yang Yo. Bro, Shangping is a fucking place in China. Shangping is a place in China. It's not so Glee City. Once you upgrade a railway, then... Okay, so you're an American, Mr. What? Bro, have some nationalism. So mark past 20 years, I used to seeing volatility part of the game. Ping pong. Social credit score is 0. Shang Ping. All right, you guys, I have to go back to my fucking bag, right? I gotta go, go another geography lesson from the United States education system. Okay? Shang Ping Place. Shang Ping Place, China. Oh, Xingping. Sha Shangping, often spelled phonetically as Sha Shangping, a 1700-year-old ancient town located in the northeastern part of the Yangshuo, China. Look at this. Sha Shangping. My bad for pocket watching you. Dog, I was literally right. I was right. I was right. My social credit score is through the fucking roof. I wish Japan won every day. That's not even a joke. Dog, that's like, that's not, but like, it is a joke that you say that, and it's kind of a funny joke. Good place to get your organs harvested. Shawshank Ping. I'll call her right now. I'll call her right now and I'll ask her. She's not gonna answer my phone call. You guys want me to call her right now and apologize for last night? I would. I'll call her right now if you guys, if not even if you guys, but I should call her. I should call her. I should be like, oh my God, what the fuck is going on? I should call her and I should ask about Shawshank Ping and then I should apologize for last night. I should be like, look, I'm sorry, I got too ahead of myself. I need to learn this. Yeah, you do, food face. What'd you miss? Just, I made like 100 trillion on IMBD. Never apologize? Okay. No social credit, sir. You don't know what happened last night. It was our first date last night, and I fucking was geeking. I was geek-a-leaking. She fucking, I feel like literally, bro. Oh man, whatever. I fucked it up. Then study how to mad respect her culture and boom her baby. Honestly, millionaire key. 100 trill. That's nothing. I know. That's just 1 month of rent out here in New York. 100 trillion. Oh man, bro. As soon as I might even get out of Palo Alto. Bro, check out DRAM. Oh, bro, you showed me these guys. This is a semiconductor ETF. How have you been? Yo, have you been trading these guys? Wake up, open your eyes. Are you? Oh, have you been trading these guys? Have you been trading these guys? What's my profit loss for May? I'll show you. I'll let you be the judge of it, man. It's honestly not pretty, bro. It's honestly not pretty at all. It's honestly not. It's like, it's kind of shit. Yo, I just sent $1,000. Just sent $1,000. Yo, how are you gonna help the youth when your brain the size of an M&M? I don't know, Zoggy Boy Simi. Wait. Really an okay guy. Dude, yeah, I don't know. Did you just burp into my ear? No, I didn't. This is my P&L for the month, bro. That's great, dude. My P&L broke 2K this morning. It's alright. I mean, it's not because I'm anything special. It's because of the tech I use. But yeah, that's the P&L if you guys are wondering. This week has been really, really slow. Really, really slow week. Bro, I should have just blasted this shit. I should have been at that restaurant, like, in like a Komodo with like tea and shit, just blasting this, bro. This song is actually such a fucking banger though, bro. This song is such a banger. It's basically like honestly trade better. Not me the prison wallet. No, like bro, this song is actually a banger. I listen to this shit like on the walk home. Mr. Passed By. All my trades are live, yes. Every single one of my trade social credit score that I showed you on my P&L, you can back check to that stream, and I placed and exited the trade on stream. My bad, bro. Yeah, all my trades 100% are live. I mean, yeah, I would take my fucking P&L to the Supreme Court to prove that it was done live. I'm fucking this song, dude. This song is a banger. It's definitely worth not being monetized on YouTube just to rip this song the entire time on stream. She maybe would have walked in your apartment if you were playing the song. But I didn't even want to go back with her, bro. I didn't even want to do that. I just thought that's what she was telling me she wanted to do. I genuinely thought that's what she wanted to do, bro. Literally anything. The U.S. is not leading in anything. Mr. What? You're out of your fucking mind, bro. Be a nationalist. Try being a nationalist for one day. I promise you it's so much more fun than being anti-American. I promise you, bro. Better ask for forgiveness and permission. So I didn't have an urge for fortune cookies. You asked if you wanted to hang out again. She thought, second date, you thought Netflix and chill. No, I said, okay, yeah. So we're at dinner, and I go, do you want to keep hanging out after this? Are you on some kind of methamphetamine? Yeah, dude, I am. I'm fucking geeked up right now. So we're sitting at dinner. And I'm like, yeah, the conversation's going amazing. And she at first was very reserved and like not like you could tell. I mean, for a first date, I'm very comfortable as a person. Like I can kind of like navigate conversations very easily. I'm like one of my skill sets, I would say. It's not that it might not even be an actual skill set, but like one thing I know I can do is I can like kind of match somebody's energy and like kind of ease them into comfortability just with conversation. And that's how the date started, right? I mean, she was like just like anyone else nervous on a first date, you know, and then after 5 or so minutes, we were laughing and having an amazing conversation. She kept complimenting me. And then I was like, yeah, do you want to keep hanging out after this? Like, and she's like, yeah, let's like go somewhere else. And I was like, dog, okay, yeah, it's time to rock. Anyway. Okay, yeah. Much they don't care for small talk. No. Okay, so Xander, my bad. I was Michael Daly sent me something. That was the guy on my Instagram story today who like was playing Nebius 2x leverage. So yeah, dude. No, and the restaurant was right next to my apartment. It was like I just was ahead. I was ahead of myself. That's it. I'm trading. Just be honest and tell her you read the mood wrong and ask her if she can try again. Who got you cheesing like that? When did you took her in the Lexus? Yeah, JJ. I promise you, bro, JJ, you wouldn't have been able to knock this down. This was like literally God mode difficulty. And the goal isn't, guys, when you go on a first date, the goal isn't to just smash. I'm not some fucking Neanderthal, right? I'm not some horny like retard. I appreciate the company of a person. I enjoy it, even if I just read it wrong, bro. I just read it wrong. It is what it is. It's over. It's over. Looking for sub 240? I mean, bro, you're 43 cents away from it. I might hop out of here, bro. I don't think this thing's going anywhere for the rest of the day. And I got a May 22nd expiration. By tomorrow, my theta is going to eat it alive. I'm going to be like, I'm so sorry. I bring you beef and broccoli with letter from your distant family in Shawshank, China. I bring good news from Shawshank, China, from family in China, with beef and broccoli. Will you forgive me? My Apple position's up 60%. Try Viagra. How much have I made this week? Dude, Ash, bro, this week has not been pretty. I don't even want to get into it, but 400, 150, 140 this week. Clip it? Clip what? What are you guys clipping? What would you guys even clip? Nothing happened. I would literally apologize. I would be like, yeah, I'm so sorry. If I caused you emotional damage. And, then, yeah, that would be it. Should I get a Lambo or a McLaren? A Lambo 1,000,000%. Bro, McLarens are shit. McLarens are literally dog shit. Two of my homies in Vegas have McLarens, and they would have taken Audi R8s that are out of production from 2015 over a fucking McLaren. Oh, Lambo, we have a Lamb. I mean, for the weekend, I'll do the McLaren for the weekend. Broccoli. But guys, you know what? I can't talk about this because my goal wasn't to bring her back to my apartment. It wasn't to bring her back to my apartment. I don't even I shouldn't even talk about it. But the goal wasn't. That's where I thought I was going, and I fucked up. R8s are badass. Yeah, they're super fucking badass. To rent the weekend, yeah, do the McLaren, JJ. Do the McLaren it's just the weekend, and beat the shit out of it. It's a shit car. It's a fucking insanely expensive car, but you guys realize, like, have you seen the clips online of motherfuckers, like, literally pulling out, like, the AC, like, space holders? Like, it's just shittily built. So are Model 3s. The Tesla Model 3 is also really fucking finicky. All right, enough, guys, enough. No more date comments. All right, I was vulnerable, and I told you. Yeah, bro, destroy the fucking McLaren. Destroy the McLaren. When I get back, I'm trading in my fucking Macan for a Taycan. Or when I get to Austin, I'm trading in my Macan for a Taycan. My shit right here. This is literally my exact car that I have just sitting in a fucking garage in Vegas, and then the occasional homie will drive it around. Actually, this is like a matte. This is a darker gray. I have a shinier gray. I think it's Volcano gray. Yeah, right here. Here's my shit. So when I get back to Vegas, I'm trading this in for a Taycan, without a doubt. Change the music, bro. It isn't 2015. All right, my bad, bro. It's not 2015 anymore. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. I'll play something that's not. I won't play such a 2015 ass song. My bad, bro. I got you, bro. I'll make the music a little more modern. Konnichiwa, you give me Broadway, don't be angry. That's a decent apology too, Johnny. All right, bro. I'm getting out of IBM. I'll take the L. Whatever. It's a $70 loss. It's a $70 loss. I'm out. I'm out of IBM. I'm sorry to leave you with the bag inconspicuous, but here, let me finish my trade. Yeah, I'm still in PANW. Let me know what you guys are thinking, but I'm probably gonna wrap up here. Planet Earth spins. Dude, this song is such a banger. This song is such a banger, Xander James. And you are in music production, so you understand just the absolute masterpiece the fucking production on this song is. Like, dog. The mastering on Fireflies is insane. Oh, dude, Trump's making Smeet. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is the greatest market of all time. Check out AAOI. Hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep. Non-copyright. I can only play non-copyright music. I rank 1,000 eyes and 10,000 lightning bugs. No, it's just pop. No, bro. I'm saying the production on this song is insane. Like, the mixing and mastering is just, it's insane. JJ's crushing. I mean, like, dude, yeah. I'm not trading today. Dude, JJ, I'm not even kidding, bro. Walk down the street in Miami and there will be somebody who offers it to you. Yeah, AOI's been on a steady climb too. Went from $58 in February to 182 right now. Anything in data centers is crushing, man. What is like the data center ETF? fucking bullshit, bro. This is the ETF I bought. The retard. Hold on, let me spin around for a second. Fuck with Zins, yeah, when I've got them. 6 months of work gone? Whoa, what happened? What happened? Oh, are you talking about your profit and loss? Yo, be study. Bro, that's the game, bro. That is the game. Send a dub team. At least try to entertain to reach that 1,000, bozo. Dude, it's fucking trading, bro. What, you want me to put on a fucking dress for you, bro, and be a femboy? It's not that simple, dog. You know, I can't be Mr. Gimmick forever. Sorry, also I was responding to a text. I'm actively fucking managing a marketing flow right now as we speak. I dipped my Zins and Coca-Cola before I start trading. Yo, JJ, bro, I'm giving you like a 10-year fucking timeline. You're probably gonna make $1 billion. But then what? You're just gonna like, it's like that lifestyle doesn't last forever, bro. Do I get paranoid if I lose my vape? Nah. I'll just go buy a pack of cigarettes if I lose my vape. Bro, I'll buy a heart. No, it's not even that, dude. It's not even about the heart issue. Like, that's honestly, bro, I'm not even kidding. The heart thing is the least of your concerns. The heart thing is the least of your concerns. Just drink black coffee, trio. I just spent my entire eval after 10% of being off. Yo, bro, if I could give you a virtual hand job right now, bro, to make you feel better, I would, Kevy. I had gambled everything I had to, yeah. I'm sorry about that, bro. Marlboro has the best filter in taste. Yeah, the reds. Yeah, bro, of course. The one that smacks the hardest though are the turquoise American spirits. Cigarettes are bad, guys. Anyone say fish scale? Yo, guys. All right. Enough. You guys are gonna kill us. You guys are literally gonna get the stream destroyed. Fucking fish scale, motherfucker. My body's a temple. Marlboro 4s are better. Am I even allowed to Google this on stream? These? No. No, this is what you want. No, it's not turquoise. It's these ones. These ones. Those smack. My ex used to smoke those, bro. My ex used to smoke those. And I would like take a puff out of hers and I would just be geeked off my ass. I'd be like, what the fuck is this shit? I'm a fisherman. I live by the lake. No, some blue ones. No, Kevin, you want to do that dark. You want to do that like that dark turquoise pack. Don't do the baby blue one. Yeah, I live on a mountain. Be snowboarding. Hella. My trades last night. 1K showing people you don't need a bunch of capital to start. No, is it in the Discord? Let me check. It's in the Discord, JJ. They took $12 in fees. Damn, you ripped a... How much did you grab from the $1,000, bro? So you did 1,100. You did 50, not 5,700 from one trade. No, it wasn't. It wasn't. Yeah, I got a Discord. If you guys want to join my Discord, go to my channel. Right here. Go to my channel and then go to posts. Scroll down and this is the Discord link. I don't use NinjaTrader, no. Dude, we broke a profit on IBM and I got out at a $70 loss. I'm gonna wrap up. I'm tired. Smoke menthol, true min, it fixed your libido. Damn. Did 1,100 off 10 contracts. Yeah, I saw that trade. What was the 4,700 from though? What was the 4,700 from? Oh. I know, dude. I gotta trust Tradealgo more. I'm gonna wrap up, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I got bigger issues. Yeah, I only trade in the stock market, but I trade options in the stock market too. The stock market's the best market, bro. Yeah, I do both. So I have a holdings portfolio. I would always prefer buying and holding stocks, Mary Jack. Okay, 500 contract scalping for the 47. Right here. Dude, your brokerage is fucking insane. $22 million on this position. What the fuck does that even fucking mean? Yo, Bashiki. That's what I'm saying, bro. Crazy. What JJ's got motion. Might be like a trade size wise the biggest that I've ever fucking. Yeah, that might be that might be some of the most aggressive risk to reward I've ever seen in my entire life. 20. Oh, it's leverage. Okay. What X leverage? If you don't mind me asking. But still, even if it's leverage, technically that money is still out there entering the position when you enter it. I think it's like 30 to 50K my own capital. But technically, if you're still trading on a leveraged account, that money's still out there somewhere. Yeah, just for me, leverage never really made that much sense. 1,000x, holy fuck. Bro, that's not, like, that's crazy, bro. I don't know, like, what are the consequences of losing? Can you choose the leverage, like, for every transaction? He's not gonna reach out here, so I go bigger on LIN. Dude, I mean, that natural gas company's baller, bro. Inconspicuous. No. The tracker to my trades on purpose. What are you talking about? My tracker's still up. Yeah, if you guys can see my screen right now, if you guys can see my stream, you guys can see my tracker. Guys, look. My trackers are up. This is my tracker on my vertical stream, and this is my tracker on my horizontal stream. What are you talking about? Yo, definitely not in the mood. I wanted to tap in, bro. I want to learn more about viewbotting. I think it'd make my stream more fun. What platform do you use to trade MU? I use Webull. Yeah, bro, Webull's baller. Webull's awesome. What stocks did I get into today? I bought PANW yesterday, which I swung till today, and then I bought some IBM. Both did great, but I mean, unfortunately, I don't have the emotional control to capture gains like I should. Have you ever tried considering mixing things up and getting pegged? You have the bod for it. Just need a large breastfed bod. Reply me. What'd you say to me? Vanish, you didn't say anything. You just said yes. I replied. Kevito DoorDash for a week. You'll reply when you take a shower. I want to talk about it. You should hit me up on Discord. If you guys see me with 1,000 viewers in a stream, know that I am viewbotting. Just kidding. That's GTA talk. I wanted to do. We weren't here, but the pay got a lot lower because the Indians come in. What? Oh, damn. Where are you at? How much have I made? I'm only up like 500 on the day. Stink maxing is in right now. My record is 37 days showerless. Yeah, bro, I'm already ahead of you. I already took my last shower of 2026. Oh, stop talking about it so openly. You'll get reported by haters and you will get banned. My bad. I was just kidding anyway. How much have I made today? Today is. I mean, I've only realized the loss, but I have an open trade right now worth 524. Should I go bigger on LIN, dude? Yeah. I saw your chat in the other format of the stream too. I have both of those chats up. It might be a little bit delayed me reading the other one. By the way, guys, I showed you the setup, Johnny. I can still read them. It's just sometimes I'm not focused on that bottom portion of the screen. Go, definitely not in the mood. Go to my Discord on my channel. If you go to my channel right here, if you go to my channel and you go to my posts on my channel, you click posts, you scroll down, my Discord link is right here. Yeah, my username is a crystal ball. Mike Schultz. Open my eyes, LOL. Put her calls. Here, I'll show you, Mike. Mike, are you still in here? Let me know you're still in here. I'll show you what's going on. Mike, are you still in here? I'll show you the sauce, bro. I'm gonna instill the faith back into you, bro. You're gonna be able to attack this market like a pro by the time we're done with you. How does this work? I want to start doing it. How much money do you have, Ted? If you have less than 100K, if you have less than 25K, bro, I would literally not try to do it unless you have a lot of money. But if you have a bit amount of money, I would just buy stocks, bro. I made a video about this fucking today. I made a bunch of videos about this. You guys hear it? Okay, so basically what I'm saying in this new like yap content I'm trying on TikTok, I'm basically saying like, bro, the easiest way to do this is not what I do on stream. The stream is like, I don't even know. I gotta like figure out like how I can make this stream more entertaining if I'm just buying and holding, because options are just gonna be a fucking gamble. I mean, look at like anyone, bro. I mean, the stress that you see me go through on stream while trading, I mean, the fucking substances that JJ uses to lock into trades, the amount of time that Gappers has to spend in front of a computer, right? Warbucks constantly like doing research, Inconspicuous constantly doing research on stocks. We all know that the best way to beat the market is just to buy the fucking stocks that are doing something and just hold them. It's not even like it's a fucking rotational curse that we bring ourselves to. Crazy. Nvida's up 16% today, dude. Yeah, he crushed it. That triple X leverage Nvidia stock, dude. I'm just gonna do stocks. Yeah, bro, and just buy them. As a sane person, why would I follow what you said instead of what you do? Explain. Because Johnny, a regular person doesn't have my capital, bro. Guys, but I have an entire holdings account that I talk about a lot for a reason. My streams, I'm financially in a position to go and trade like this. And dog, I mean, we should do the math here, bro. Like actually, bro, 3 contracts at $22. 3 contracts at $22. That's already $6 grand in one position. 3 contracts at 14. This is one day, bro. I grabbed $450 and 688. Right? This is just one day trading on a day I made profit. Monday, the 4th. I made $1,000 profit, but that's what I had to do. That's how much in and out I had to do. If I have $100,000, if I have $1 million, dog, the Tradealgo strategy that I'm using is undefeated. It's fucking phenomenal. And it takes barely any time. But if I have little to no money, bro, I would just buy stocks. I would just, every week I'd do like $20 into stocks in the market. Yeah, I'll give me 2 seconds. I'm on the stream. That's it. That's all I would do. I just buy stocks, bro. So much capital, but you're in a basement apartment. Yo, Zapata oil, dog. I'm in my mom's basement, bro. I'm in my mom's basement, bro. How'd my AMD trade go? I don't really want to talk about that. I haven't closed out of it yet. I don't really want to talk about it. I'll show you guys. I don't really want to talk about it. I almost 3 weeks, 0 losing days except today. Bro, good stuff. Focus on the positive. All right, my AMD trade. Yeah, bro, here. I don't even want to fucking talk about this. All right. I don't sell a course, but I'm down 19% right now. Your boy's down 19%. Core, we've hit a good scalp point. Are you gonna grab it? What strat do I use? I use Tradealgo's data. It's a language model that scrapes like block orders and institutional transactions in the stock market. It's free. Just look up Tradealgo. They have like tutorials and stuff on it. I can show you if you want. Bro, JJ, can you guide me? Yeah, actually, yeah. JJ, go ahead and take Vanish off my hands, please. When does the AMD trade expire? That expires on June 18th. So I do have time there. I do have time. Can you guide me? Paul isn't replying me. Bro. Oh, bro, Vanish. Yeah, ask JJ to buy you a funded account. Are you hitting me up afterwards? Yeah. When does the AMD trade expire? 18th. I want to build an algo myself based on something similar, but I don't have the tools. Yeah, Kevy. Okay, let's do this really quick. Let gonna put on my little shill hat. I'm gonna show you guys something. Let's just do this really quick. What I'm about to see, it's gonna seem like a massive Tradealgo advertisement, but it's important that all of you pay attention really quick. Or not all of you, but just anyone who wants to, if you can tune your brain off, it doesn't matter. But if you want to build your own trading algorithm, this is what it's gonna take, okay? If I want to build an accurate stock market trading algorithm, or I'll just do AI. If I want to build an accurate stock market trading AI, what data sources do I need to purchase? And not just basic ones, but the dark pool transaction ones and institutional trading venues. Okay, so let's look. So I'm going to say, if I want to build an accurate stock market trading AI, what data sources do I need to purchase? Not just basic ones, but dark pool transaction ones and institutional trading venues. Because we all know that you need access to see what institutions are doing. First one is you are going to need to do, but their executions will be reported. If you need a model, you both need real-time data and historical tape data. All right, you have to, I mean, you're going to have to, first thing is acquire massive amounts of data pools, right? Morgan Stanley, ATS block order books. You have to go in and collect all these data and feed them into an artificial intelligence. The second thing you have to do is you have to acquire advanced market data I'm kind of reading this from Google. Do you need direct order book feeds, level 3 data? You need order flow and order flow toxicity. You need like basically over 100 different data sources, right? So here we go. Here we've got all of these data vendors that you can go in and purchase that will provide you this data. So you can go in and purchase the data from the stock market. Now this is before your AI has even been developed. This is literally step one. You need data. Okay? You need data to trade. And this is what it takes. A Bloomberg Enterprise data. That is like the pinnacle of stock market data. Okay? So let's do some quick research. Let's Let's go back to Google. And let's just ask, who does Tradealgo purchase stock market data from? And then we just do Benzinga. It's a Benzinga article. Okay, so Benzinga, Tradealgo's enterprise algorithms are vendor independent pull from approximately 250 different stock market data sources. That's why it's such an obvious answer to use a big box company. Use a company that's already buying all this data and then use the AI that they built on it. Right? It's not going to be for everybody, but if you're in the sector of advanced data, bro, look at what Tradealgo's data sources are. Let's list them out. So these right here. These are the data sources. FactSet Research Systems, Bloomberg Terminal, and Morningstar. This is just 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 data sources that Tradealgo pays for. Out of the 250 they have, just the 4 main ones. If I went here and I said FactSet Research Systems, Bloomberg Terminal, and Morningstar, if I wanted enterprise data access to these vendors, how much would I pay yearly? Enterprise level data access is going to cost you for these Bloomberg, FactSet, and Morningstar, just 4 of the 250 Tradealgo buys. Bro, it's going to cost you $50,000 to $100,000 a year to get that data. Bro, are you kidding me? I paid $5,000 for Tradealgo for a lifetime. If you bought, hey, what's up, Gappers? Guys, if you bought FactSet, Bloomberg, Morningstar, that's like that's like what you guys would pay. That's the data vendors to get accurate data in the stock market. It should be a no-brainer. It's not even about Tradealgo, but it should be a no-brainer when you guys start doing and looking at systems like this. Like, it's going to become very obvious to you what you're embarking on. Yeah, I'm going to wrap up, though. That's my shill for the day. Pixel scrape the data for free. I'm buying 100 SPY next year if you like free money. Hell yeah, Velocity. All right, boys. I will see you guys. Let's tap in tomorrow. IBM is working its way back. Flow still looks good. Accurate data in the stock market. Dude, grow up. All right, let's hear what this guy has to say. Accurate data in the stock market. Dude, grow up. And then it's like, it's literally this guy. Bro, you're literally ripping VR gameplay shorts and like dog, like do not tell me to grow up. You and I are both in the same boat here, bro. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is unacceptable. Dude, telling me, dude, grow up, this is unacceptable. What am I doing today? Today is, I'm eating and I'm filming ads for Tradealgo. Hold on, let me find this guy again. Green today and you're green. Yo, every time I get green for Jay and you're green, shut down stream. Accurate data in the stock market. Please give me a break, brother. Please just give me a fucking break. Like, I'm not, it's just, like, literally just give me a break. I just entered CoreWeave. Look. Got 20 points in GC. Let's go. Holy smoke. So you got, what'd you enter at? $7? It does look like an insane entry, bro. This looks insane. Oh, gappers, by the way, the market is pumping right now. Kind of. Everything but like the fucking Nvidia trades. Bro said, stock market is destroying the economy. My shit has the square root of fuck all to do with it. Yeah, man, hey, go grab a juice box and throw that back on that VR headset, big dog. Just go ahead and put that VR headset right back on. And yeah, go right back to the metaverse, man. It's all good. I don't think it's going to matter. Just go hop right back into the metaverse, big bro. All right. It's all good. At K, I get it. Do anyone help me? Paul isn't. Yo, you're asking me for $250. You live in India for a funded account. Yeah, okay. I'll do this. I'll give you $250 if you move to America, get an American citizenship, generate assets that are worth American dollars, like a car and a house and or maybe like a business or something. And then I'll give you $250 if you contractually swear. No, Vinesh, I'll help you. This is me helping you. If you come to America, get a citizenship, and then you gather assets, and then you put those assets liable to the $250 that you owe me at 100x. So the assets have to be worth $250,000, and I'm going to be able to take all $250,000 of your assets if you don't pass the funded account challenge and I lose my $250. I'll help you. How's that sound? Does that sound like a good idea? Would you like to do that, Vinesh? Bro, I'm a minor. Yeah, okay. They have been falsely presenting the economy for years. This housing market crash broke everything, and they've been making it worse since. Stop investing at your level. It's a waste. Dog, it's all good. I mean, honestly, you do seem that I will apologize for the way I was talking to you before, because your advice does seem heartfelt at this point. But it's like, it doesn't even matter. Earning is free. Hell, paper trading is free too. At Johnny 9, exactly. Dude, Vanish is just out of his mind. Yeah, bro, don't bet against the American economy. Dog has been on his sister's account for 2 days now. Bro thought we forgot about the sister's account thing. Yeah, but the thing is I just need a friend. Really bad. I ran so hard. I blew out his O-ring. He had to go. Oh, bro, please stop. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? What is wrong with you? Johnny, Joe, we're going to call you by your username. We're going to call you by your username. Vashni, we are going to call you by your username. How much time? Bro, he doesn't put any time into learning. He just wants $250. I'm not like, yeah, bro. Please help me. I'm trying to learn. Dog, then Google how to do, like, Google that. Like, tell ChatGPT what you just told me and fucking, like, with the caps and everything. I loathe money, but I understand it. Paper with funny pictures on it, it's only worth as much as we all agreed it is. How agreeable are you feeling? I mean, brother, my only hope in this stream is to convert you to the idea, not to buy into the illusion of money, but to understand the capabilities that it can bring you. That's fire. Down 17, actually. Dude, you're good, bro. You're good and conspicuous. Just watch on Corey. That's why it looks. I mean, we're at 107.36. Nothing's happened. Here's a little fact. Oh, it looks like I left a whole bunch of money on the table. It's all good, gappers. Don't get FOMO. You've been doing this for too long. You've been doing this for too long to get FOMO, bro. Inconspicuous says, check out ICLN. It's a clean energy ETF. And BE is its largest holdings. Let's see. ICLN. Clean energy. Okay, but clean energy doesn't necessarily mean nuclear. Hold on, let's ask TradeGPT. Do these guys have any CEG or nuke stocks? Why in the fuck would you want to invest in solar when in general renewables? Dude, the Constellation Energy is going to be so fire. Uranium/nuclear ETFs. DUK, SO, and NE. Vanish, if you can paper trade ES and make 20% ROI within 3 months while showing risk management equal, I will fund you some basic prop from account. Bro, yeah, I mean, a clean energy ETF, dude, this thing is what, like, let's take a look on a day level. Yeah, dude, I don't know, man. I don't think this is for me. Dude, who's still buying it, bro? Unless, like, bro, Wolf Raza is like the guy to like shill you a clean energy ETF. He's like, yeah, fucking invest in windmills. And then Wolf Raza, like, can I guess? May I guess if let me guess. Do you think that, and I don't mean this disrespectfully, but do you think that AI data centers waste water? Most times throughout history disagreed and burned everything down. We are due for another reckoning. Greed is the issue. You know, bull Raza, fuck all that. Do you think that AI data staters waste money? Just Wolf is like speaking like philosophy, and everyone's just shitting on him. Like on the one part of the world, bro, is like loathing, like he loathes money. He just comes into a trading stream and just starts preaching. It's like me going to like a fucking like free Palestine rally with an Israel flag, dude. You know, you're not like, people are gonna throw tomatoes in here. Like, yeah, Warbucks. I got out of IBM, bro. I'm kind of looking at this like a dumbass. Let's go, bro. Good stuff, Inconspicuous. Have you ever traded options, bro? Like just basic options trades like me? Big ceasefire news hitting the market right now. That's awesome. Oh, wow. CoreWeave's dicey. Hey, my goat, meme god. What's up, big dog? What's up, bro? Wolf said investing in toys isn't a good move. I don't invest in any of this shit. They are full of shit with AI and cannot do what they claim. It collapses soon, folks. Buckle up. No, Wolf, I'm not asking you that. Wolf, I'm asking you. I'm just asking you if AI data centers wastewater. Who is Mike? Who is Mike? JJ? Is JJ Mike? I hope it collapses on the shortcut. Bro, even if it collapses, the boys are still gonna make money. Bro supports climate change and women's rights. Not a closed loop one. Yo, JJ, I think Kevy's asking you for advice. Won't gold pump if everything collapses? Johnny9 with a factual statement. Dude, Tradealgo is right again, man. You guys want to see what happened? Okay, so this is a trade, right? I said identify a stock showing strong intraday momentum. Let me make sure you guys can see this. I said identify a stock showing strong intraday momentum. Keep searching until you find a basic specific options trade. Basically, after a whole bunch of shit, back and forth, this was the final trade. IBM long call 225, 1775 entry. It gave me three take profits and a hard stop loss. And here's the thing about this trade, man. I didn't even go close to this stop loss. Was crazy. I got out at 17 flat. I didn't even let it go close to the stop loss. And if I just would have listened, man, if I would have just done the $12 and taken profit once at $22, and the second time if it does hit $26, I would have been fine. But I didn't. I saw it go here. I saw it go here, which is nothing. And that's the other thing about watching a stock on a 1 minute chart. It goes down $2, the underlying asset, and then it just rips. And then I get out and I'm the one holding the bag. That's like, it's crazy. It's so crazy. Just the audacity to just keep disrespecting the fucking data, bro. She's how you doing? Love you. We'll make millions this year and come ride that New York. Hell yeah, bro. Dude, that New York subway is filthy, dude. I haven't needed to take the subway in a long time. Like at least a week and a half, which is a long time for like commuting around New York. I've been walking everywhere, bro. Been walking everywhere. Meme God. How's over there? How's it over there in Europe, bro? Psychology. Don't work yourself up that much, brother. You're doing something. I mean, shorting gold is dumb. and you often buy in high volume. This move on SPY is so beautiful. I want to see something beautiful. Spizzy. Let's go 5 minute. Oh my. This is beautiful. This is like some Pepe shit. Dude, should I trade this? Yo, should I trade this? Bro, should I trade this? Yeah, this is a fucking insane entry. What are we talking about? I'm trading this. I'm trading this. Yeah, I'm trading this. I'm trading this. Hold on. I'm doing a 0 DTE. I'm doing a 0 DTE. 21st of May. What is it at right now? 742. I'm doing a 745 call. 745 call. 745. These are only 4 cents. Wait, no, these are 31 cents. Okay, I'm doing a quick 5 grand. Come on, bro. What is that going to be? 100 contracts? No, it's going to be more. 150. Yeah, 4,600. I mean, 44,600. I'm in. I filled at 25 cents. All right, let's log, baby. Let's log. Let's log. We're in. We're in. I didn't use Tradealgo here. I did not use Tradealgo here. I'm in 5 Gs. I'm in 5 Gs. Here's my entry. Here's my entry. 150 contracts, 25 cents. We filled at 125, literally right now, May 21st. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm uploading this. Dude, this is going to be insane. This is actually going to be insane. I'm at break even right now. It's at worth 25 cents so. Check the VIX, man. Check the VIX. Short or long? I went long. 0 DTE. Let's go. I'm up 300. I'm up 8%. I'm up 300. I'm up 300. I'm at 300. I'm at 27 cents. Can you move P&L tracker? I can't see your SPY trade. Yeah, is this good? This right here? Put it right here. Where should I put it? Oh wait. How's that? Is that better? Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Now I'm down 300. Oh my God, dude. All right. What's my SPY trade? 745 call for May 26th. Come on. It's fluctuating. I'm back to break even. I'm back to break even. Jesus fucking Christ, please, bro. Okay, I'm at 150. I'm at 150. I'm back to break even. I'm back to break even. I'm down 150. Bro, fucking shit. I see May 21st. Yeah, it's today's expiration. May 21st. Yep, gappers. May 21st, sorry. It's today's expiration. Be ready to sell at market. I'm gonna sell at market, yeah. Oh my god, bro, just do one of these. No, bro, where's the fucking candles at, man? It's gonna boom. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Let's do a boom. I got 3,700 on these. 16 delta with 17% pop. The volume died as soon as I entered. I'm up 300. I'm at 8% right now. Dude, I could take 300. I could do a market order and see what I close at. No, it's gonna. I'm gonna regret it. Point. I'm up. Okay, I'm at 20. I'm at 28. I'm at 28. 28 cents. I'm up. What is that? 450. Dude, the volume died as soon as I got in, bro. Please, God, just hook your boy up. I'm up 600. I'm at 29 cents. We're cooking. We're cooking. I'm back to 300. Uh, 27. Here we go. This is what we want. I'm at 12% again. Holy shit. One massive candle away from retirement. We broke our $1,000 for the day. Tunes, bro. All right, tunes. Let's just play some hype shit. Let's play some hype shit. Let's cook. 600. I'm up 600 now. These are 28 cents. Let's go. Yeah, we see a good volume. It's gonna rip, bro. It's a 130 fucking banger. Let's go, man. Easy work. Easy work. Easy work here on this fizzy. Love a chaotic trade. Let's go. Let's cook, man. We have to cook here. We absolutely have to cook. I'm at 12% right now. I'm at 2.8. Dog, I'm waiting for a boom. See the little boom here. Little boom scheme. Little boom scheme. Hold on, I need to chill the fuck out. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm at 2.3 right now. Come on, bro. Big candle here. We got it, bro. Easy work. It'll retest lower, keep holding. It's today's expiration. I'm at 2-3 right now. Let's go. I'm at 2-4 right now. Let's go, baby. I got break even. I got 2-5. Let's go, baby. Volume's coming back. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We gotta cook, bro. We gotta cook. I'm back down to 2-7. Here comes a boom. Come on. I need 215 in subs. I'm up 5% on week today. Good shit. I'm at 750. I'm at 30. I'm at 30 cents. I'm back down to 2.9. I'm back down to 2.9. Come on, bro. Do something. If we get this, bro, if we can get one of these, we're set. If we can get one of these, we're set, bro. We're set. I'm back at 30. I'm at 31 cents. Yes. I'm back down to 2.9. You're us. So profit cover, show your contracts enough to cover cost basis. They're only worth 27 cents right now. No one line, bro. You're getting red. Shut up. Hello, bro. YOLOing trade. I'm not YOLOing shit. This is smart investing. Wave is falling. Things are going down a little bit right now. I'm at 2.7. No, gappers. I bought at 25 cents. They're at 27 cents right now, and I bought $3,700 worth of them. I'm up 60K earned, buying silver. Good shit. Everything's booming. Just wait for volume, I know. JJ just started trading, bro, because he saw me get gorilla ape into this shit, and JJ was like, yo, I'm not gonna let my boy ride solo here. Okay, wish you the best. Okay, so I could sell right now, Gappers, I could sell 50 contracts. I could sell 50 contracts. For 30 cents. Wait. Oh, dude, I'm at, oh my God, I'm at 33 cents. Hey, Dubs, I'm out. We're gone. Oh my God, wait, no, I'm not out yet. I haven't even started taking off it. Woo! He's at 46. Oh, we are so back, bro. We are so back, bro. And you're welcome to play. Yo, shout out Velocity. Yo, we're at 40 cents, bro. That's so geek. That is so geek. Bro, I'm at 41. I'm at 41. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I'm at 48 right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, I'm at 51. I'm at 51. I'm at 51. This thing did it 100%. Go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go. Bro, I'm about to place an order for 100 Caniacs from Canes. Let's fucking go, bro. Should I get out? I should get out, bro. It's a 100 move. It's a 100 ball. It's a 100 ball. I should just get out right now. Sell 25. Okay, I'm gonna sell 25. I'll show you guys a sell order for 25 contracts. I'm doing Okay, I just got out of 25 contracts. I market ordered, and unfortunately, I only got out at 39 cents. When I should average out like that next time, Gappers, I am out of 25 of them contracts. When I do that next time, I'm out 25 of these at 39. Sell 25, 39 cents. My SPY 45, 745. Literally right now at 143, May 21st. Limit out at 50 cents. Oh, yeah. Okay. Copy that. Damn it. I'll do that next time. Yeah, if I'm not happy with 100% profit, I don't know what to tell you. That's TSB. I'm at 41 right now. Not just accept pennies. I did 0 DT options. I'm at 45 cents. I'm up, bro, I made $2,500 so far. Let's keep going up. I'm at 50 cents again. Never accept under the middle unless you have to copy that. It's gonna keep going up too. Well, hopefully. I'll get out. Yeah, it's a good way to end the stream, bro. A 45-cent fill. I'll set a limit order at 45 cents for all contracts. All right. I set a limit order for a sell at 45 cents. You gotta just fill it. You're about to close shop, I know. Pull a little longer. Nah, JJ, I gotta go. I don't really want to do trivia right now. I set a limit order. I can cancel my limit order. Hasn't filled yet. Now, yeah, make it so where it's now a risk-free trade. Dude, I'll fill at 45. I mean, bro, I'm happy with 100% return, bro. If I can fill at 45 cents from 25 cents, or that's like an 80% return. Oh, we filled. We filled. We're out. We filled at 45 cents. We're done. Damn. Nah, I'm good. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not touching anything anymore. I'm out. Hold the remaining for, dude. I filled all of it. All of them filled. I'm good now. Dude, I'm happy. I'm happy. That brought my P&L to 11 Gs this month. Everybody wants your body, so let's check. Dude, fuck yeah. Yo, shout out to fucking Vaporizer or whatever. I'm out. I had 125 contracts, filled 25 at 39 cents. The other 100 at 45. Or 39 and 45. Yeah, I'm keeping PNW. I start trading at 11 a.m. What am I gonna eat right now, bro? I'm gonna go get a fucking BLT. I'm gonna go get a fucking BLT. I'm gonna go eat a fucking BLT, bro. Should have some partial R. Okay, but good. Okay, good. But take a minute to reflect. Should have held some to partial out higher with the stop. Your stop at Riga. So move my stop up to 25 cents, or move my stop up to 25 cents. Stop it, bro. Don't tell me here comes pop. Don't tell me that. Should I get back in? Should I get back in right now? Yeah, I'm gonna get back. Should I get back in? 0.71 incoming. No, your trade is over. Okay. Yeah, I'm on the stream. Well, I'm on the stream. I can't talk enough. What's up? Oh, Kevin LaCour? Yeah. Kenneth? Okay, yeah, let's do it. What? No. I should be good to go. Yeah, cool. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna wrap up here anyway. Cool. My bad. I thought you were asking if I could take one right now. I thought you're saying if we could do it right now, but no. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, I'm good for 2. Yep. $2 p.m. volume. Nah, the trade's done. I'm good, bro. I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. Guys, I'm done. 57. When you're about to jump in, now it's 47. Bro, we're done. Smaller risk if I do. Nah, dude, I'm good. Your boy did the thing. Oh my god, of course it's just ripping up right now. Whatever. There's no way, bro. There's no way. Like I can't go back into this. It's not healthy. 65. Oh my god. What's it at now, bro? 74. Dude, are you like telling me this to teach me a lesson or something? Partial out with closed limit set. Not even supposed to be trading. Dude, I gotta go. I got a fucking 2 p.m. call. 81. Bro, please stop. There's no way. How, bro? Bro, fuck off. Damn, man. No, I should have stayed. There are no lessons. It's the name of the game. Shit's a gamble. Gappers, you got him to do one partial out. He's done it. Yeah, I did one partial out. Okay, average is 100% right. Crack 85 for a sec. Did you guys take the same trades? I took the 745, 21st of May. Nah, I'm good. All right, boys. Yeah, I know. I should have left runners. Yeah, we'll live and learn. Live and learn. It's a lesson. It's a lesson. Sucks, but it's a lesson. I mean, $2,000 fucking dollars. Nothing sucks. This is the problem. This is actually the problem. Yeah, boys. I got a fucking phone call at 2. I'm gonna gear up for it. I gotta get ready. But yeah, this was a ton of fun like always. Thank you all.